Okay, so unfortunately, part 1 was removed by YouTube. I don't...
Ginawa ng violin.
Yuck!
Ginawa ng violin.
Okay, so let's get rid of this on the side first. And then let's do the main dish. One of my favorite dishes, my main dish. The spaghetti. And I'm the only one who ordered it, so no one else can steal it and take it from me.
My mom.
Oh yeah, my mom.
No, my mom!
Her mom ordered it for us and I said thank you. So at least I said thank you. It's actually really good. Servant, give me more water. And not your servant. Guys, she's just gonna spill her water.
No.
No, I said, servant, give me my water. I'm not your servant. I'm her cousin. She's just pretending. But I'm telling you, Mom. No, I got it myself. I'm so sorry. I'll bow down to you.
Ang kasabi mo. Yeah, thank you.
They are your friends. Your friendship ring. Guys, her friendship ring is a cucumber. There's a hole at the bottom of the cucumber. She made it her. Ow! Yuck! Her cough is green. Are you the Grinch? Did you eat onions? What did you eat for lunch? Onions? Did they put onions in your chicken? Have it, guys, have it, like, heard the new Katsai song? It was like, I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Really?
Ito rin eh.
Like the emoji.
No.
2
Sinabi ko
hours.
naman naman eh, kung talaga papa mo.
Haven't you had